Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our online class of Alfred International School and College. I hope you are enjoying our online class, right? I am your Hridita Miss from Standard 2 English Language Teacher. Well, we are discussing about the homophones. This is a new topic of English language. We are discussing that topic from Junior English book, page number 51. So, what is homophones? The same words which have the same pronunciation, same sound, but different meaning and different spelling. These are called homophones. Say for example, there, T-H-E-R-E, there. That means at that place, there. And T-H-E-I-R, there means them, to them, right? This is called homophones. Say for example, here I am showing you in this page, look at here, in this board, pale and pale. Two different words but same sound. They have the same sound, pale and pale. But here, two different spellings. Look at here, P-A-I-L and P-A-L-E. These words have different meaning also. Look at here, pale. P-A-I-L means a bucket and P-A-L-E means fade color of skin. So, look at here, number 1. She looked very dash after her illness. So, here we put this word, P-A-L-E. She looked very pale after her illness. Okay. Number 2. Meat, M-E-A-T. Meat means a flesh of animals. And here meat, M-E-E-T, meat means gathering of people. So number 2 will be the dash was too tough to eat. So here we go. The meat was too tough to eat. Clear? Okay. Number 3. Here and here. The same sound, same pronunciation, but here is the different meaning and different spelling also. Right? Look at here. We did not dash the postman knocking. So, which word will be perfect for these blanks? Here, we did not hear, H-E-A-R, hear the postman knocking. Okay? Because hear means hearing, listening something. Okay? Number 4, here we go, main and main. Two different words but have same sounds and same pronunciation. M-A-I-N, main. It means the most important thing. And mane, M-A-N-E, mane means long and thick hair of animals like horse, lions. Okay. Look at number 4. The school is on the dash road. So here the appropriate word would be main, M-A-I-N, main road. Okay. The school is on the main road. Okay. So these are the uses of homophones. The same sounds, same pronunciation but different meaning and different spelling. Okay. Fine. Here is the uses of homophones. We have finished this topic like pale, pale, meat, meat, here, here, and we see the uses of these words. Okay. Then we can go for the next page. Okay. Let's go for the next page and I will show you another homophones. Okay. Fine. Now we go for the page number 79. Okay. We will start page number 79. 9. Fine. These are also the homophones. Look at here. The word, first word, R-O-A-D, road and road. Okay? Here the sentence will be, the dash was muddy after the heavy rain. After the heavy rain. So, which word would be perfect for this sentence? The road was muddy for the heavy rain. Okay? Road means street. R-O-A-D. Road. Okay? Number 2. Sail, sail. Look at here. Sail and sail. And here is the sentence. Helen bought the carpet at a dash. So, here is the perfect word for this sentence. Sell. S-A-L-E. Sell. Helen bought the carpet at a sale. S-A-L-E. Clear? Number 3. Pain and paint. The same sound, same pronunciation. Look at here. Pain. P-A-I-N. Pain and pen. Okay? Here is the sentence. Sushan had a dash in her arm. So, the perfect word would be pain. Here, P-A-I-N. Pain. Clear? Sushan had a pain in her arm. Number 4. There and there. Same sound. T-H-E-R-E. There and T-H-E-I-R. There. There means at that place. And T-H-E-I-R means them, to them. Okay, there. Here is the sentence. We waited dash for an hour. For an hour. Okay. So, in the blanks, the perfect word would be there. T-H-E-R-E. There. That means the full sentence will be, we waited there for an hour. Okay? Number 5. Pain and pain. Again, look at here the uses. P-A-I-N. We have seen this pain before in this sentence. P-A-I-N. Now look at the use of this word like P-A-N-E. Okay? The cricket ball broke a dash in the window. So, here the appropriate word will be pen. P-A-N-E. Pen means the glass of a window. Glass. Okay? P-A-N-E. So, this is all about the uses of homophones. The pairs of words which have same sound, different spelling and different meaning. Okay. Here road and road, sail and sail, pain, pain, there, there, pain, pain again. Okay. I think you are clear now. So that's all for today and take care. Thank you. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.